This video shows the proper installation steps for the GOJO Pro TDX 5000 dispenser. Please read all instructions carefully before installing and using the dispenser. Find a suitable location for your dispenser. If you're installing the dispenser above a countertop, be sure to leave at least 10 inches of clearance between the counter and the bottom of the dispenser. Clean the installation area with an alcohol pad and allow the surface to dry for at least 60 seconds. Peel the paper off of the installation tape. Apply a thick bead of dispenser adhesive to the back plate. Open the dispenser by releasing the latch tab at the bottom of the back plate and pushing up on the cabinet. Press firmly on the back plate and hold the dispenser in position for 10 seconds. For maximum hold, let the adhesive set for 24 hours before adding the refill. Remove the tear tab at the bottom of the refill carton, but do not remove the refill from the carton. Place the carton into the dispenser and push the refill pump into both slots of the pump house until secure. Close the dispenser cover securely. To install the dispenser with fasteners, use the back plate as a stencil to mark the pilot holes. Then drill the holes for the fasteners using the marked holes. Insert a lag shield into each of the pilot holes and gently tap it into place with a hammer. Make sure the anchors are flush with the wall. Attach the dispenser with 4 number 14 by 1 inch lag screws. Remove the tear tab at the bottom of the refill carton, but do not remove the refill from the carton. Place the carton into the dispenser and push the refill pump into both slots of the pump house until secure. Close the dispenser cover securely.